Point number 2 that I'd like to say, as I was already getting into it, take yourself on a solo date. I know this is something that not a lot of guys would, maybe agree with. So let me change the terminology. For our girlies, the term solo date sounds amazing, self-love and all right. For the guys, I guess, same thing, but I guess we can phrase it as just taking a day off and going somewhere. Like, go and enjoy your company. Go somewhere that means a lot to you. Treat yourself to something nice. If you have been saving up money, or if you are on a very strict budget, or if you hadn't been able to get something that you really wanted for the longest time, go ahead and buy that for yourself. Whether it's a slightly expensive watch, maybe a sweet, you'd been watching your weight, you were on a diet, go ahead and eat that food. It's just a one-time thing, right? It's just a one-time thing. And you have those days where you just need it, where you just need to do that. So you go ahead and you do it, okay? Don't be so hard on yourself. If you need to go somewhere, if you need to do something for yourself, just do it, because in the end, you are going to stay with you, right? You're the one that has to take care of you for a lifetime. So one day, right, if you feel so upset that you need to sit and cry, or you need to talk to someone, take that day off and do what you need to do, okay? Treat yourself to something nice. Take yourself somewhere nice. Go buy yourself new clothes. Get yourself a nice haircut. Anyone appreciating mine? Do what you want to do. Do what you need to do. Take yourself somewhere that you've been wanting to go, near or far. Do it. Just do it. Deal with the consequences later. You will thank yourself for it.